Hi guys, I'm Gaurav from Vortex-RC and today we are going to do a build video of the TuffBirds Reflex-100. So we'll start out by unboxing the kit and then we'll progress with the build and eventually go and fly it around if time permits today as tomorrow. So let's see what the kit contains. The kit comes in a strong box, the corrugated box, and let's open it and see what it contains. First of all, contains a manual, then a shrink wrap parts package that has the center bay, the aeroply sheet and the Coro parts, small parts package, small parts, and this is the main wings and the carbon spars, shrink wrap, and also in the kit is lamination film. So let's open everything and see. The instructional manual has all the specifications and what is included and the step by step what you have to follow to do with the build. This is the center part. These are the corrugated Coro skids. These are hexagonal skids, very strong and quite good. This is the center battery bay hatch which we will use to cover the battery bay. This is the aeroply sheet which has the battery bay and the motor mount and the control horns which will be used in the build. This is the center bay, hot wire cut. It comes in its case. Then this is a 5 by 1 mm carbon spar. Let's open the main wing. Spars and the wing. So this is another piece of 5 mm carbon strip which will be used to reinforce the center. These are 3 mm by 1 mm carbon strips for reinforcing the elevons. Let's look at the lamination film. The lamination film is 3 mm lamination. It's got an adhesive, heat activated adhesive which will be used to cover and give more strength to the Reflex 100 once the wings are joined together. So these are the wings. They come in their pores. This is all EPP, quite thick so that the whole battery will be encased, very strong and is sort of flexible. So this is EPP. So there's a left and a right wing. You can find out by the airfoil. So the flatter side is at the bottom. So this is the right wing. This is the flatter side is at the bottom. The more curved side is towards the top. This is the right wing and this is the left wing. So this is the left and right wing. These will be joined with the center bay here. So let's start with the build and we'll see how it goes.